What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to start a business in the UK as a foreigner. Starting a business in the UK as a foreigner can be an exciting opportunity. With supportive entrepreneurial environment and diverse market, understanding the necessary steps such as visa requirements, business registration, and compliance is essential for success. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Understand visa requirements. Before launching your business, familiarize yourself with the UK visa options available for entrepreneurs. The Startup Visa and Innovator Visa are popular choices requiring endorsement from an approved body. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, including having a viable business idea and sufficient funds to facilitate a smooth application process. Develop a business plan. A well-structured business plan is vital for outlining your vision and strategy. It should include market analysis, target audience, financial projections, and operational plans. This document not only helps you clarify your goals, but also serves as a persuasive tool when seeking funding or endorsement from investors or business partners. Choose business structure. Selecting the right business structure is crucial for legal and financial reasons. Common options include sole trader, partnership, limited company, and limited liability partnership. Each structure has distinct implications for liability, taxation, and regulatory requirements, so consider your long-term goals and consult with legal or financial advisors to make an informed choice. Register your business. Once you've chosen a structure, register your business with Companies House if applicable. This process involves submitting essential details such as your company name, registered address, and information about directors or partners. Registration formalizes your business and ensures compliance with the UK laws, paving the way for legitimate operations and potential funding opportunities. Set up finances. Establishing a separate business bank account is essential for managing finances effectively. This separation helps maintain clear records for tax purposes and simplifies financial management. Additionally, register with HM Revenue and Customs for tax obligations, ensuring compliance with local regulations while preparing for potential future growth and expansion of your business. Starting a business in the UK as a foreigner involves careful planning and adherence to legal requirements. By understanding visa options, developing a solid business plan, choosing the right structure, registering your business, and managing finances, you can successfully navigate the entrepreneurial landscape and unlock exciting opportunities for your growth and success. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.